Your name again?
My name is Clementia.
Clementia.
Yes.
Nice one. You didn't say your Acacia.
No, that's my nickname.
Oh, nickname.
My name is Lian.
Lian. Nice one.
I don't call me a problem.
Okay.
My name is Sharon.
Shaden.
Yeah.
Like, you think people don't understand about you?
Is it? I'm very sensitive.
You're very sensitive.
Yeah.
More than them.
Yes, I am.
That's all. And you,
Yo. To me,
yeah.
so I don't know.
You know yourself.
Probably my personality, like
How I react to certain problems, and I feel that they should just, bond with me.
What's that one thing you've done in your past relationship and still can't believe you've done it?
Is that I've stayed longer than 6 months. Yes.
You stayed longer than 6 months. You were not paid.
Only 3 max.
Only 3 months.
Yeah, because not that they're the problem, I am the problem. Why? It's because I would always find out the shit that they're doing and I don't, yeah.
So you haven't experienced an anniversary when you're anniversary? You heard the question.
your mind is very funny, because like I didn't catch feelings in the relationship.
Okay.
I catch feelings when we were done.
What's good YouTube? This is Sopai. Umisabasazo kukabathunike bajuluke banamanga sibazile futhi siphinda futhi. I'm back again on track la eNorth Gauteng ngiphathela amakhaladi afresh ase North Gauteng. Guys, yabo anginasikhathi abusistars bajahile yabo. So guys, I'm just gonna get on top of it. What's your name again?
My name is Clementia.
Clementia.
Yes.
Nice one. You didn't say your Acacia.
No, that's my nickname.
Oh, nickname.
My name is Lian.
Lian. Nice one.
I don't call me a problem.
Okay.
My name is Sharon.
Shaden.
Yes.
You guys are all beautiful, man.
Oh, thank you.
So guys, okay, let me get on top of this. Can I ask you, what's that one thing? Oh, what's that one thing you feel like you think people don't understand about you?
Is it? I'm very sensitive.
You're very sensitive.
Yeah.
More than them.
Yes, I am.
That's all. And you, Mike?
Yo. To me,
Yeah.
so I don't know.
You know yourself,
Probably
yeah.
my personality, like I don't know.
People don't understand your
Yeah,
personality.
probably.
You have anger issues, maybe?
No.
Oh.
The question?
What is it that people don't understand about you?
How I react to certain problems, and I feel that they should just, bond with me to understand. Yeah.
I didn't hear anything, but okay. Second question, guys, if I could ask me, what's that one thing you've done in your past relationship and still can't believe you've done it?
Is that I've stayed longer than 6 months. Yes.
You stayed longer than 6 months. You were not paid.
Only 3 max. Yeah, because not that they're the problem, I am the problem. Why? It's because I would always find out the shit that they're doing and I don't, yeah.
So you haven't experienced an anniversary when you're anniversary? You heard the question.
Your mind is very funny, because like I didn't catch feelings in the relationship.
Okay.
I catch feelings when we were done.
Okay.
So this is what I mean.
Okay.
The question, I can't hear you.
Okay, please come a little bit closer because I can't repeat.
Come close.
One thing you've done in a relationship and still can't believe you've done it. A past relationship.
Okay, it doesn't sound weird, but break up because I just feel like it.
You just feel like it. Okay, what's the romantic thing you have done for your boyfriend, if you have one? You're dating,
Romantic
right?
thing.
Yes.
I do that. What have I done for him?
So what turns you off in a boy? Like any gender?
Turns me off. If we have ugly teeth and a mouth stink. Yeah.
What turns me off is your personality, because I have a vibrant personality and then you coming here serious now.
Okay. Vibrant personality, and you?
Yeah, what turns me off about the guy is, you know that of wanting to entertain other girls, thinking that you're slick and then you think you can still get me. Oh, yeah, no.
Who has a bad luck in relationship?
This one.
This one. This one.
No, but who's always the problem in that relationship that I get?
Please come a little bit closer. They didn't hear you.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
I'm always the problem in all the relationships that I get. Because I want to be in charge.
You wanna be in charge, and that's the problem.
I can see.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Second question. One on call. You said I no more drinking after here. Yo.
Mr. Boy.
One on call. Nee, that one on call. You ever drink and say no more drinking after here?
Yeah. You know, it was that one dumb night, That's one Friday night, and I told myself I'm never gonna drink again. Not long after that, I'm back on it again.
What happened?
What happened?
Yes.
Nothing actually happened. I was just too drunk to the point where I couldn't even stand still.
You didn't vomit, something like that.
No, I'm not. I don't get. How do I say? I'm professional drunk. I drink responsibly.
Even today, you're gonna drink big bears.
No, it's Good Friday. You don't drink on a Good Friday.
Good Friday.
Please repeat your question.
One alcohol that made you say no more drinking.
You mean it?
Yeah.
It was wine.
Why?
You know why?
Which one? Fire paid.
The roasting.
I know it's not
Because like I don't drink wine and then that night I got a blackout.
just like that. Where were they?
They were there.
Mm.
They were drunk.
They didn't save you.
They didn't see me. No one saw me.
You had this one, right? I don't have to
The
repeat.
alcohol it made me say I'm no more gonna drink. Come I think I am strong on alcohol, man. But I'm gonna say brutal fruit.
Good job, food.
It is kak.
You are from church, guys.
Ivo. Today you from church. You smell nice. Yo.
So what is the day? What is the day about? Like Good Friday is about what?
It's like
So you don't
God.
I don't go to church.
God sacrificed, His life for you. It's not just today. It's like the whole weekend. Yeah, it's like the whole weekend.
So God died today.
No,
But
Got
he died.
he got
crucified
crucified.
on Thursday,
Then when did he wake up again?
on Sunday.
On
On
Sunday.
Sunday. So this Sunday he's going to wake up again.
Yes.
Again.
So you believe that thing? That
Yes. If you believe in God, you will believe in it.
I'm not anything. I'm myself.
Okay, back to the questions.
Oh, okay. Second
Okay, yeah,
question.
back to the
Bajashi.
questions.
Back to the question. So, guys, which is that one X like you can bring back and why?
You know why?
What are you saying?
One X you can bring back and why?
One ex that I could bring back and why? I would bring one of my ex-girlfriends back because she showed me what it
One
was.
of your ex-girlfriends.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I would bring her back. Why? Because she showed me what is it to be in a relationship.
So you're dating girls?
I used to date girls.
Now you're dating girls.
Yes.
And then she must feel special. Mention a name.
No, I can't mention a name on here.
Okay.
Yes.
You had the question, right?
Yeah, to me, I won't bring any of my exes back because they're not even my type anymore.
You don't even know types anymore.
No, like you must know, if someone don't upgrade after the relationship, you are never the problem, chick.
Yo, so guys, how do you deal with betrayal? Ne? Okay, you specifically. How do you deal with betrayal?
How do I
And what
deal
happened
with
the last time you betrayed?
the last time I was betrayed? I just told that person, you know what, just stay away from me because I don't like to express how I feel with certain things. So I isolate myself with doing that. I isolate myself and I deal with it on my own.
Okay, I see.
To me, I avoid, like I distance myself.
Just
That's
that.
all. Yeah.
Okay, I see. Oh, red flags on a gent. What are red flags on a gent?
Reflex on a chain. Yo. Like I said the first time, thinking that you slick. You think you slick, but then you not. And also, your mouth. If you don't have nice teeth,
Nice teeth or breath?
nice teeth, breath, your forehead.
How about my teeth? How are they?
They're alright.
Nice. Okay.
To me, your
Yeah.
drop.
Drip.
If you don't drop nice size bed, and like my friend said, if you think you're
Yeah.
slick, you understand.
So if you did not,
Like since we are from church today, right? So like did you see your type?
Oh no, church, you don't go to look at other boys, you go for the Lord and only the Lord.
Yeah. Hey, it's good meeting someone from church.
Yeah, but my mind isn't there now in matric, you see, books.
Matriculant.
Yes.
good luck. Shame, hey. Okay, another question that is and that is stepping me. I'm focusing on them now. Another one. If I could ask that one thing you've done. Last one. Okay, no problem. Okay, if I could ask me. I want a deeper one, man. Let me see. According to you, how long should a guy last in bed? According to you, you're just estimating, right?
Yeah, guys, to be honest, hey, you first cut.
Okay. Ask. Okay,
How long should a guy last in bed? No, I'm not comfortable because I'm still a virgin.
Okay, no, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. You're still a virgin.
Yes, I won't know.
Like they're from church and put into
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, I see. What's that phone, Jack? You said you're dating, right?
Yes, I am.
You're also dating.
Yes.
It's like you're unsure, or like.
Yes, she's dating.
So, guys, know what I'm gonna do right now, ne? You're dating girl, okay?
I'm dating a guy.
You're dating a guy. Okay. I'm gonna need you to do this. Please hold this for me. I want you to put this at time for me. Guys, know what I'm gonna do right now, ne? It's star. Okay, take. I'll explain. So, guys, I'm gonna do a loyalty testing, right? You said you're dating, right? You're testing your partner whether to see if you have good intentions about her. Stop.
But I'm not in a relationship currently.
You just say you're dating.
Yeah, I'm
And
dating.
she's exposing you.
No, like I am dating, but
Yes.
I'm not currently in a relationship.
Okay, how about we call?
Masiko, my ex.
No.
like you are not dating, but yeah.
You're not dating, but you're
I
currently
used
in
to
a
date,
relationship.
like I date
Seem
me,
true.
but like now currently I'm not
Seem true.
Why?
in a relationship. Because man, boys don't casa me anymore.
Anymore. Hey.
That's one.
Yeah, that one. You're not dating.
I do date, but now currently
Oh.
But listen, this
Why?
guy is trying to help you figure out that whether your boyfriend is
It's her
faithful
again.
to you or not.
Yeah, but I'm not in a relationship.
You are
So
in a
who you're gonna
relationship.
know? I'm
You
not.
are
So
in a
if you
relationship.
enter WhatsApp and type I love you, we'll only find your mother's I love you only.
You can. This is on my phone, but you can enter wherever you want.
Whose phone is it?
My phone.
So you said you should call your ex, right? You know her turns by head. Okay, we're gonna help her find out, ne?
Yeah, they can
I'm
start
kidding, not gonna
some
find out.
behavior, man.
Not gonna
They can start
find.
some
5
behavior.
One.
Yeah.
Okay.
Call him, yeah.
No, what grade is she?
What's in matric?
You through 12?
Yes.
Is that like how's the pressure so far?
You?
It's exhausting.
It's interesting.
Yeah,
It's just tell one must.
You're not already drilling us. We already in term 2 so
So
far.
you're not attending today?
No.
You're in church. Today it was a holiday.
Yes. They might even send a message tonight saying come
Yeah, that's
tomorrow.
You understand?
But so what are you aiming for? A bachelor? A
Yes,
diploma?
a
Of course, of
With that
course.
distinction?
To me personally, for this time, I don't know how much distinctions I get. Probably one.
Probably one.
Nee.
And then you? Like obviously.
And then
it's
might
a
a
goal,
bachelor
right?
and 2 or 3 distinctions.
After you go to varsity.
I don't know
I
for
don't
sure. It's your
think I
boyfriend or
wanna go
girlfriend's number.
Who?
You said you're dating a boy, right?
No, I date boys now, most.
Okay, just enter number. Just test.
Whose number?
Your boyfriend's number.
I don't know my boyfriend's number off my head. He used to be my boyfriend.
Oh,
but I
he
can't.
Just okay, your current this relationship it's how long?
Who?
How long
The
is this
one
relationship?
you are.
We were gonna make 7 months this month, but then I left him.
Ay, boo.
You said you
You were
last 3
almost
months.
there, almost. I would say 6, Nja. We say na usual last 3.
But they said she's in a relationship.
I'm not. Am I in a relationship, bruh? I'm not in a relationship.
But
Nee.
first time I asked you.
Yes, I'm dating.
Yeah.
Like I do date,
Yeah.
but I'm not currently in a relationship.
Okay, I see.
Why?
It's him.
Like I said, boys don't casa me anymore.
Yo, you gonna fight for a man? Yeah. My sister, have a standard, please.
But if I can find one,
Let's hope you find one.
What's your name again?
let's hope, but I doubt.
You can just say Rookie.
Hi boys, I'm fine.
You made up your mind.
Shoris, how are you? I'm also good, man. Look, man, I'm with your girlfriend. Dude. Can you please confirm how long have you guys been dating?
What?
How long have you guys been dating? I'm with your girlfriend here.
It's been 6 months, it's going to be 7 this month.
Oh, okay, I see. What's her name?
Clementia.
Flop la nyatsa and the halagalo was a la nyatsa.
Okay, no, that's good. She's blushing right now. Thank you for your time, MIG. Thank you.
You see, guys, I want to be like my friends and I'm older.
Okay.
Give him 2 minutes, 3 minutes max. He's gonna phone me now.
He's gonna phone you. Last question. Nah, no more questions. I'm just doing this. I want you to laugh. No? You know what you're gonna do right now. I want you to give me. Are these your only friends? Don't you have a best friend, something like that?
I actually need a job.
It's just
Okay.
us 3.
Okay, please, can you please brag about yourself? I'm giving you 20 seconds to brag about yourself.
Brag about myself.
Yeah.
Boyfriend that loves me.
Oh, my boyfriend that loves me.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, my boyfriend does love me. I love my boyfriend back, but we also going back and forward,
Yeah.
you know.
And I'm sure you will lost hope, ne?
Yeah, yo. And the thing with me is, first time betrayal.
Separate them.
But the thing is, first time betrayal, I will take it very hard because there's the first time you're losing my trust. And with me, I take very long to trust someone because of what happened to me in my past
Okay.
times.
Never cheat to you.
Yes, he did.
So if he mentioned other person's name, what are you gonna do?
I wasn't gonna do anything because I would just say it's something that I expected from men because you are like that.
So you are finished bragging about yourself.
Yeah, but yeah, guys, I'm sweet.
Okay, come closer, please.
I don't know
Just
how to brag about myself. I don't know.
Okay, word of the day.
Word of the day.
Yeah, no language.
Now, please
Word
give
of
this.
the day.
No language, then you translate in English. Afrikaans, yeah.
Give me a word of the day.
Word of the day.
Anything, my friend.
Each and every one
Like, okay,
you
look,
must say.
okay, let's make it simple. Let's say there's a crowd of people, maybe close to 100, like they're from North Kazakh. Like, if you were to tell them something, what could you say?
Just to prove them, no, guys, you must do this, not do this. Yeah, according to your
Like, or maybe an
situation.
overall advice.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Okay.
While she's cooking, child.
I don't actually have word of a days, man.
Serious?
Mm.
That's not enough.
I
Like,
feel like
You see,
that's
this is-
off guard, you understand? Because, like,
You see colored affairs. Can you see colored affairs? They like fighting. You know, sometimes colored people, they don't know how to stand together.
They don't
They
know.
don't.
they fight.
Where can people follow you? Like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram?
On my Instagram.
That's the name on Instagram. Leave them alone.
Like
But
where people can follow you? Instagram, TikTok.
Instagram. Masagi my Instagram name. Mostly _.lala.
Mostly underscore.
Like M3STLY _.lala.
Mine is Clementia.
Yes.
No Facebook, I thought.
No.
Mine is Clementia.O'Shea.
Clementa.ocean.
Yes.
Instagram on
Yes.
Facebook.
I don't have Facebook. On TikTok it's Rookie Sakhia.
Okay, Sakhia.
Yes.
Okay, guys, let me close it, Jabo. Please wait for me. Don't go. Wait for me. Yes. So, guys, I'm Mazilo Afetu. Mr. Basazo Kaba Tunege Batulege Banamanga Sebazule Pinda Futi Bafetu. Mpatele something fresh Bafetu. Remember, guys, guys, you know what I can say to you, guys? Faith. And out.
Utatuma, will she out? My haters see what she play tick. My haters see what she play tick. Issue, asa, ebati. Never